Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone flashlight grayed out. It's incredibly frustrating when you find the flashlight icon is grayed out and unusable. Whether you are trying to find something in the dark, snap a quick photo or just navigate a dimly lit area, a non-working flashlight can leave you stuck. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is close camera or other apps using flash. If any app is already using the camera system, iOS will block the flashlight feature to avoid conflicts. For this, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher and swipe up on each app to force close them, especially camera, Instagram, Snapchat and TikTok. Once all apps are closed, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and check the flashlight again. And the next step is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple software refresh clears up temporary glitches that cause the flashlight icon grayed out iPhone. For this, you just need to press and hold the volume down button and the power button together. A slider will appear, so slide to power off and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is turn off low power mode. While rare, low power mode can sometimes cause certain background process or hardware controls to act weirdly according to the flashlight, including the flashlight. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone and choose battery. Next, tap on low power mode toggle button to disable it. And you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. If some configuration or setting is corrupted, it can block hardware features like the flashlight. For this, open settings. Next, choose general option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Next, choose reset and choose reset all settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your photos, apps or messages. It just resets system settings like Wi-Fi, password, wallpapers, etc. After your iPhone restarts, try the flashlight again. And you are done. And the next step is update to the latest iOS version. For this, go to settings, choose general and choose software update from here. Wait until the page is loading and then see if there is any update available. Then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is test the flashlight in the camera app. This helps you check if the flashlight hardware is working or physically broken. If the flashlight doesn't fire, it's likely a hardware issue. For this, open the camera app and switch to a photo mode. Next, tap the flashlight icon at the top and set it on. Take a picture to see if the flash fire. If yes, hardware is okay and it's really like a software glitch. If no, the flash hardware might be damaged. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone flashlight grayed out, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.